Welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run the school management project website which is created using the PHP. Let's scroll down. You can see this is the project ID. You can search in our website. We can see the options for downloading source code and documentation. You can find the zip files in the download section. Now move to new tab in Google Chrome. Next we need to download the XAMPP from the original website and install it based on requirements. Choose based on your operating system. As I have already installed XAMPP on my laptop, let's move forward to the downloaded project files. You will find two project files, one is project documentation and project source code. Let's open the project documentation once where you can find all about the project requirements includes with introduction, source code, tables, system requirements, screenshots. Mostly you will get all required information in it. Now let's move to the project source code folder and you can see the project source code folder which contains all the files required. Now copy the source code school management folder and move to the XAMPP folder created while installing. Now open Hide Docs folder and paste copied school management folder, and when we open that and see we can find the database files in it. Now open the database files where you can find frm.myd.my files, and these are the most important files to run the project. Without it you cannot move forward. Now copy the folder and move to the MySQL folder /data and paste it there. So our database files are directly imported into the MySQL server. So here we are directly created the database files which are directly uploaded the MySQL server. Now go the start menu and run the XAMPP control panel using the administrator rights and start both the Apache and MySQL server. Make sure the servers started successfully and running. Now open the Google Chrome and enter localhost where you can directly connected to the Apache server where our website can be accessed. Make sure you enter correct URL or it moves to other website. You can see the school management folder and click on that. Now you can see the folders and select the admin. You can see admin login page is opened. Next open client, then our website is opened here where home, about us, standard intake vacancy, staff and staff details, student activity, contact us about school details with details and full feedback form is available where you can enter your feed of management. Now open the new tab and enter the PHP My Admin panel where MYDB database is created with required tables used for the R project. It is done without using the .sql file and we have done it using other files. This is the school management website which can be easily used by any of required. Simple steps to go live. Kashipara is one of most useful website for the students looking for the free projects. This is all about the school management project using the PHP. You can view project working video by clicking watch demo video. You can also join our YouTube channel Kashipara. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.